Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yaya and I'm so happy to have you here. We have some unboxing to do, you guys. We have a ring box, like always, and a Miss to Mrs. box. If you guys don't know what these are yet, you need to go catch up on my previous videos. I give you all the deets on how to get them, where to get them. I will have links down below. Pricing, I believe, is $37 a month. I don't know. Let me not play you. Let me just actually tell you guys. I'm over here just being lazy. I just got done filming a Ulta Beauty haul. I don't know which one I'll have up first, but just come back to the channel. Or if you subscribe and hit that little bell, you'll always be notified. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Check out my socials. I have Instagram, I have TikTok, and you really should be following them all. I have some updates that we'll discuss while we're opening the boxes on my wedding planning journey. I hope you guys are excited. I have some vlogs coming up for wedding planning stuff because I have done a lot since we last spoke, girl. We have not caught up. We have some catching up to do. But before we get into that, make sure you follow the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit up all the socials. And make sure you check out my other videos because I have some other stuff that is wedding planning related. And I have other unboxings. So if you are about to subscribe to these subscription services or you're thinking about it, check out my unboxings because I think it's totally worth it, but you know, it's totally up to you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna start off with the ring box. This is $43.80 what I get charged every month. I have another box too from the ring box because I'm a little behind. I found the dress. Yeah, I have a vlog coming up. You guys will not obviously see my wedding dress. Sorry, you won't see it till after I get married. Because I can't risk my honey seeing it. But I do have a vlog coming up of some dresses that I said no to or that I liked, but they just weren't the one. Be on the lookout for that. So yeah, I have another box. I think I'm going to post that one on my TikTok. So if you don't follow my TikTok or my Instagram, you should, because I'll post those as a little short on there. I might also post it on here as a short, but we'll see how long it is. First thing I see is a little box, and I already know what it is because it says it on the box. This is, ooh, this is cute. A compact mirror. Curious to know, those of you guys that come for my wedding unboxing or my engagement boxes or wedding related stuff, do you also peep out my beauty related videos or are you just here for wedding stuff? Let me know, please. I'm curious to know. I got another water bottle. You guys know I do love me a water bottle, but I do feel like I have way too many now. I'm considering canceling one of these services. This is so cute. I like this because I can use this now. I like the other ones too, but the other ones all say like bride or miss, and I'm not that yet. I am a future miss, so this is hella cute. I got another koozie that says bride, so I will use this on my wedding day or at my honeymoon or whatever. But this is a thin one. I don't know. This is probably for like a White Claw or something because I don't see my tall can of micheladas fitting in this. Oh my god, that's so cute. I got a bride hairpin. That's hella cute. I won't wear this like during my ceremony and stuff, but maybe like after at the end when I'm turning up, just stick that in my hair. I got a t-shirt. Oh, this is hella cute. I got a fiance shirt. That is so cute. What is this? It says goodbye miss, hello, or goodbye Mrs. Hello Miss. Goodbye Miss, hello Miss. What is this? It says a batch book. It's like a scrapbook for my bachelorette party. I think that's adorable. The guest list, who all got to come. And then you put a photo there. My bachelor party is already booked. We are doing, me and my girls are doing a 3-day cruise to Ensenada, and I'm so excited. I've never been on a cruise before. So how cool. I wonder if I bring this for them to like note stuff because it says memories with the bride and then it has a spot for a picture. So maybe like each gal that shows up fills something out At least that's what I think I'll use it for, because that's a really good idea. Ooh, I should bring a Polaroid. That's so cute. It's the little things that you don't even think that you want or you need, because I would never think that I needed that or that I wanted that. I'm not super duper like a scrap freaking gal, but that's hella cute. I hate when I talk while I'm squishing paper. So you guys, I'm so sorry. Don't leave the video, but I'm so sorry. Okay, that was a good box. Good box. So after shipping costs and everything, the Miss to Mrs. box cost $45.45. I did have to update this box because I had it on every other month, which I really did like, but it was until it was for a 9-month program. So the ring box is for until your wedding day. Love that. This one is also until your wedding. No, this one is by months that you choose. I chose a 9-month program, but because I had on every other month, it was going to be coming to my house even after my wedding day, and I don't want that. So I updated my shipping to be every month instead of every other month, so it ends. The last month I'll get it is August, so I won't get any more after my wedding day, because I was like, I already am like, this is a lot of boxes to keep up with. So let's get into this. Keep calm and plan on. This tells you guys what's in it, but I'm not gonna look. You guys can look. No, you guys have to see it with me. So the Miss to Mrs. box, every box they give you a little planning guide. I think it's always good. Ooh, I already see what's in that box. I do think that the Miss to Mrs., like, I enjoy that so much about this box. It's every box I get, they include things like this that are things I did not think of. Like that DJ checklist I'm gonna go through, because things that, you know, I ain't never planned a wedding before. So to have those little tips and tricks are really awesome. Ooh, okay, so the theme of this box is self-care. I'm living. The first item is a keep calm and plan on silky smooth satin robe. Oh, hell yes, baby girl. I love a robe. I love a robe. I love a robe. I have quite a few. I love a robe. I remember when I did not have a robe and I was like, I really want to buy a robe. And now I have several. I feel like I just said robe at least 10 times. If you have the count, comment down below. Okay, this is so nice. And I love that it doesn't say bride or fiance or miss, because that means I can wear this jazz anywhere, anytime. And look at that color on me. Oh, period. That's hella cute. You guys, this is a good box. Miss to Mrs., I feel like she hits every time. She hits every time. She understands the assignment every time. So I got 2 face masks, tea tree and black snail. Again, I'm living for the, like, it's not all Miss to Mrs. stuff. Like, honey, I'm flossing the fiance out here. Ain't nobody a prouder fiance than me. But, like, it's cool to have things that are, like, actually useful and not, like, I can only use during the time that I'm the fiance. You know what I mean? So this is the tea tree. It's for calming and repair. And then black snail, which is for moisturizes and regeneration, which, baby, I love that. I also got, looks like it's a jade roller. This is a good box. Oh my god, this is a good box. Okay, so it came with a roller. This is really good for when you're using paper mask. You can help put it on better. This, living. What a good box. Okay, the next item is white tea and cedarwood candle. This is from a company called the White Jar Candle Company. Let's smell it. Okay. 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 So at first, that was a range of emotions. At first scent, it kind of smells like Merry Christmas. What the fuck was that? Then you pick up this I don't know, but it's Really good. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, I like that a lot. I'm gonna put that in the room. Relaxing foot soak. Oh, wow. That looks fancy. A plush microfiber towel, which is a hair wrap. I love a good hair wrap. I use one every day. I use a t-shirt one because I do have wavy hair. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And lastly, you guys, slippers. Baby, this is a good box. How cute. And they have a little diamond on them. These are like spa slippers. They are them like ones that you get at the spa. They're not like wildly plush, but they're gonna get the job done. I'm living. I love it. You guys, what a good box. Miss to Mrs. She does it. She does it every time. I'm actually considering canceling one of these boxes, and I kind of feel like we all know who just won me over. So no shade, no tea. I don't know if I'm actually going to cancel. If you would, which one would you cancel? Let me know down below. What box is your favorite? What was the item that you think you would want to try? And you guys be on the lookout because I have some vlogs coming up about my wedding planning journey. Wait, do you guys see? I cannot wait till my day. I cannot wait. I also have cake tasting coming up and a few more other things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. My Instagram is going to be down below and my TikTok will be here or down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!